1 jillion or like million subscribers. So do you want to help me with it so that I could hit 1,000 subscribers? Well, what do you? Well, if you want it, then like and subscribe so that I could reach 1,000 subscribers. And here I'm at. I'm in Roblox. What's it again? Tiny Thomas. And so that I should make this video. So like and subscribe so that I should reach 1 trillion billion subscribers. So yeah. That's a question, by the way. So yeah. That's gonna be it. So like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. And I know, I already said that, but yep. Bye. Bye-bye.